If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun by APJ Abdul Kalam. Method of elimination by equating coefficient. For solving sum by this method, there is one rule. Now, rule is that if same sign, then you have to subtract, and if there is a different sign, then you have to add. Okay, how to apply this rule in any sum? Let's see. Now, if I take equation 1 as 5x plus 3y is equal to 9 as equation number 1, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, equation number 2. Now, if you see, variable x has coefficient 5 and 2, and variable y has coefficient 3 and minus 3. Now, as the name suggests, equating coefficient, you have to equate any one coefficient, either x or either y. In this question, coefficient of y is already equal. So now we will apply the rule. Now what rule say? Same sign we have to subtract and different sign we have to add. Now if you see the sign of variable y, it's positive and negative. The signs are different, so we have to add. So adding both the equation 1 and 2, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. We will add 5 plus 2, 7x plus 3y minus 3y will get cancelled, and 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. 7 will go to the divide side, x equal to 21 divided by 7, 7 3s are 21, so value of x is equal to 3. Now we will substitute value of x in either equation 1 or equation 2. We will get the same answer. So substituting value of x in equation 1, so 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, value of x is 3 plus 3y is equal to 9, 5 3s are 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. This 15 will go to the right side, so 3y is equal to 9 minus 15, 3y equal to plus minus minus, 15 minus 9 comes 6, greater number sign minus. This 3 will go to the divide side, so y equal to minus 6 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, so final answer is y equal to minus 2. So solution is x and y is equal to 3 comma minus 2. Now we will see one more type of a sum, that 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, equation number 1, and 3x plus y is equal to 2, equation number 2. Now in this type, if you see that variable are different, for x coefficient is 5 and 3, for y coefficient is 3, and if nothing is there then coefficient is 1. So we have to equate any one of the coefficient, either x or either y. Okay. Now in this question we are equating coefficient y. Why we are selecting y? Because it's easier or quick to solve, because just we have to multiply by 3, then variable y will be equated. So equation 2 multiply by 3. Now remember that if you are multiplying the equation, then you have to multiply whole equation. So it means 3 3s are 9x, 3 into y will be 3y, and last 3 2s are 6. This will be your third equation. Now if you remember the rule that we already see, that if same sign, then we have to subtract, and a different sign we have to add. Now if you observe the sum, equation 1 and equation 3, variable y have different sign, so we will add the equation. So adding 1 with the 3, 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. 5 plus 9, 14x, minus 3 plus 3y will get cancelled, and 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 will go to the divide side, so x equal to 14 divided by 14, 14 ones are 14, so value of x is equal to 1. Now we have to substitute this value in either equation 1 or 2, or you can substitute in equation 3 also. You will get the same value for y. Now if I observing the equation, for equation 1 there is negative 3y with, okay, and equation 2 y is alone. It is better to substitute in equation 2 for quick answer. So substitute value of x in equation 2. Equation 2 is 3x plus y equal to 2. Value of x is, we found, 1 plus y equal to 2. 3 ones are 3 plus y equal to 2. We will take 3 to the right side. So y equal to 2 minus 3. And y equal to plus minus minus. 3 minus 2 comes 1. Greater number sign is minus. So your final answer is y equal to minus 1. And the solution set is x, y equal to 1 minus 1. We already solved two types of sum. Now here the last type, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. Now again we will see the rule. What was the rule? Rule is same sign we have to subtract, different sign we have to add. If you closely observe that variable x have a two different coefficient 3 and 5, and variable y have two different coefficient minus 4 and minus 3. So in this sum, that equation 1 and equation 2, all the variable have different coefficient. So we have to multiply both the equation by different number for equating the coefficient of both the equation. Now first, in this sum we will equate variable y. So in equation 1, y has coefficient 4, and equation 2, y has coefficient 3. In the simplest way, just we have to cross multiply this number. For 1 we will multiply by 3, and for equation 2 we will multiply by 4. Equation 1 multiply by 3. Again, if you are multiplying the equation, then equation should be multiplied by the whole equation, not by the single term. So 3 3s are 9x, then sign minus 4 3s are 12y equal to 10 3s are 30. This is equation number 3. Now again, equation 2 multiply by 4. Now 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12y, then 24 4s are, it come as 96. These are equation number 4. Now if you observe, variable y is already equated and sign are minus and minus for both the equation. So what is the rule? If same sign, then we have to subtract. So equation 3 subtract from equation 4. Equation 3 is 9x minus 12y is equal to 30, and 20x minus 12y is equal to 96. Now there is a change if you are using the subtraction. Okay, now just leave some space after the equation 4. Now if you subtracting equation, then you have to change the sign. Okay, how we will use that? Positive 20 will become negative 20, negative 12 will become positive, and positive 96 will become negative. So we have to ignore this sign. So while solving the sum, 9x minus 20x come as plus minus minus, and then answer will be negative 11x is greater number sign, minus 12 plus 12y will get cancelled, and plus 30 and minus 96 will come as negative 66. Then minus minus get cancelled, 11 go to the divide side, so your answer will be x equal to 66 divided by 11. So 11 6 are 66, so x equal to 6. Now we will substitute in equation either 1, 2, 3 or 4. Answer for the y will be the same. We will substitute in equation 1. So equation 1 is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10. Value of x is 6 minus 4y is equal to 10. 6 3s are 18 minus 4y equal to 10. This 18 will go to the right side. Minus 4y equal to 10 plus 18 will go to that side, will become negative 18. Minus 4y equal to 10 minus 18 come minus 8. This minus and minus get cancelled. 4 will go to the divide side. So y equal to 8 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. Y equal to 2. So the solution is x comma y equal to 6 comma 2. Here is your KLH challenge. What begins with letter T is full of T and ends with T.